Today, we're going to tackle 5 order of operations problems. First up is 9 divided by 3 times 2 plus 1. Why do millions of people get 1? Because they assume that multiplication indicated by parentheses, what mathematicians call implied multiplication, has a higher priority than explicit division. They add 2 plus 1 to get 3, multiply 3 by 3 to get 9, and then divide 9 by 9 to get 1. But according to standard modern mathematical conventions, PEMDAS and BODMAS, implied multiplication does not take precedence over division. Step 1. Handle the grouping symbol first. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now the expression is 9 divided by 3 times 3. Step 2. Multiplication and division share equal rank in the order of operations. When they appear together, you must evaluate them strictly from left to right, as they appear on the page. Division comes first on the left. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now multiply 3 by 3 to get 9. The correct answer is 9. Problem number 2. 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. The common trap here comes from human psychology. People like symmetry, so they visually group the expression into two pairs. 2 divided by 2 in one pair, divided by 2 divided by 2 in another pair. Since 2 divided by 2 equals 1, they get 1 divided by 1 equals 1. Why is this wrong? Because division is non-associative. That means that you cannot just group division operations in whatever order you want, like you can with addition or multiplication. When you have a chain of identical non-associative operations, you must evaluate them strictly from left to right. Step 1. Take the first two terms on the left, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. This leaves 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. Step 2. Take the next division on the left, 1 divided by 2 equals 1 half. This leaves 1 half divided by 2. Step 3. Divide 1 half by 2. Using the keep change flip rule, 1 half divided by 2 over 1 becomes 1 half times 1 half equals 1 fourth. The correct answer is 1 fourth. Problem number 3. 4 minus 4 times 2 minus 4. Here is the trap. People see 4 minus 4 at the beginning and instinctively subtract first to get 0. 0 times anything is 0, so they confidently write down 0 as their final answer. This fails because subtraction sits at the very bottom of the PEMDAS hierarchy. You can never perform subtraction before completing parentheses and multiplication. Step 1. Solve inside the parentheses first. 2 minus 4 equals negative 2. The expression is now 4 minus 4 times negative 2. Step 2. Multiplication comes before subtraction. Multiply negative 4 times negative 2, or 4 times negative 2. 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8, leaving 4 minus negative 8. Step 3. Subtracting a negative number is mathematically identical to adding a positive. So 4 plus 8 equals 12. The correct answer is 12. Problem number 4. Open parentheses, 6 times 3 squared, close parentheses, divided by 3. The trap here happens inside the parentheses. People see 6 times 3 and multiply first to get 18. Then they square 18 to get 324 and divide 324 by 3 to get 108. But why is this wrong? Even though you are inside parentheses, exponents still take priority over multiplication inside those parentheses. Step 1. Focus inside the parentheses and evaluate the exponent first. 3 squared equals 3 times 3 equals 9. Now we have 6 times 9 divided by 3. Step 2. Complete the operation inside the parentheses by multiplying 6 times 9 equals 54. Step 3. Now that the parentheses are fully resolved into a single value, perform the final division. 54 divided by 3 equals 18. The final answer is 18. Problem number 5. 4 divided by 1 fourth times 4. People spot 1 fourth right next to times 4 on the right. They think, hey, 1 fourth times 4 equals 1. So they substitute 1 in, leaving 4 divided by 1 equals 4. But why is this illegal? Because you skip the division on the left and jump straight into multiplication on the right. Multiplication and division are equal partners. You must work from left to right as the operations appear. Step 1. Perform the division on the left first. 4 divided by 1/4. Using keep change flip, keep 4, change division to multiplication, and flip 1/4 to 4. This gives 4 times 4 equals 16. Step 2. Now bring down the remaining multiplication. 16 times 4 equals 64. The correct answer is 64. Master these left to right priority rules, and you'll easily spot every math trap out there. Thanks for watching.